Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Noor. So if you are here first time, so you should subscribe this channel, and if you have already subscribed it, so watch this video continuously, and I will upload some English vlog video as well, so you should watch those video too. So in this video, I'm just going to share you that how I practice my spoken English journey. As you can see that I'm just improving it day by day, and how I practice, like what all things do I do to improve this language. So let's just start now. I'm going towards at station. So uh, before reaching at the station, I always practice if I am having, or if I have my mobile phone, then I always text. Not only text, I always talk with different people through PR app, or through any WhatsApp group, or with my friends. If I get chance to talk him, then I can talk, or I always talk. So after
Let's
reaching at the
see, people
station,
are
I never talk with
planting
anyone in
some
English
paddy.
language.
No,
Why?
they have
Because
already
some
planted, but
people,
now they
you can
are
consider that
just
as a friend,
walking
so
or
they
they are just
always
pesticide
judge me, that they say me that your English
pesticiding
is not
in
good,
their
and
farm. So
something
I'm
else you can
about to
say that.
reach at
So
the
that's why I
station
don't
now.
feel good.
So you can
So
check
before that,
now
but I
that
always
I'll
practice. I
hardly
don't
take
think
only
about
1 minute
others, like
something, not
whatever
only 1 minute.
they are
I'll
thinking,
take
and they are
almost
staring at me, and they
15 to
are
16
saying
seconds
something
for
very
reaching
badly way. So
at
I
the station. So
never
lots of people
thought
are
about them,
looking at
or
me,
never
so
think
that's why
about
I
them.
have to put
So now
my
I'm about
mobile
to
phone
reach
in
at
my
the station. Then
pocket.
after that, I would
So
show you
I'll shoot
something
next
like
clip
I just want
after
to
reaching my
make some
library,
clips,
and then
and
if
then
I
I can
would
record.
get
But you
chance
know
to
that
shoot a
as you can see that I'm
clip,
giving voiceover in
then
this
I'll
video.
shoot.
Why? Because I didn't carry my mic while recording this video, and I cannot talk with anyone. So now I'm in train, and then I reached at library, and maybe you have seen before this click when I was in train. So I saw Swab, and he was from Punjab something, I think. There were two guys, one of lady and second one was male. Then they had Schwer. So now I'm in my library at this time, and this is my vocabulary notebook. I always write all vocabulary in this. Like if I'm reading my my book, or if I'm reading any, you can say if I'm watching any drama or reading any book, so then I always stuck while reading or while watching drama. Like I have some difficult vocabulary which I don't know. So I always keep them and then write them in my notebook. And when after finishing that session, or after finishing my study, then I always remember them, and I always repeat them again and again. And now I'm just reading some phrases, because I always learn five phrases in a day. So this is, I forgot the exact time that how long I have been following this schedule, but I have learned more than 80 phrases. 80 phrases I have learned now. So, and then after that, I would learn some advanced vocabulary, not for my spoken English journey, but also for my other exam, for my competitive exam. So that's all. And then during this, I always practice, like if I have my mobile phone in my library, so then I use headphone, and then I watch some English podcast or English drama or Priyanka Chopra speech. So today I watch Priyanka Chopra speech. So I have only one smartphone, so that's why I am unable to show you. Then in evening time, I always go at my gym for just workout. because I just want to gain good muscles or good energy. So that's why I always go there. And then after that, I'm back at my library, and this is the book that I have mentioned many times in some conversation videos. So whenever I feel, you can say, tired, so then I always read it. And after reaching from my gym, then I always read this book. And I always want to finish one chapter in a day. But today I didn't do. Why? Because I was just reading some other things, and I had newspaper. So someone told me that you should read it. So I read that one, and but I read it, but not that much. I read more than one page something or only two page something. I read two pages only. So then after that I learned those vocabulary again. I remember them just I was just you can say trying to recall them, because you know that it's human being, we always forget. So we have to just practice again and again. So that's I did. And now you, so now I have to finish this session now because I don't have that much time. So bye.